Hello everyone, Nasir here again. Today on this video I'm going to talk about gold once again. We've had extremely volatile past week. In fact, last 2 weeks have been really volatile actually, and amazing gold at $2,000 once again after a long time. If you were following my last video where I did actually speculate that gold would head back up towards a $2,000 level, it has, and I think we should be getting ready for a short on this. As we all know, this month the Fed will be meeting to increase interest rates, and going forward for the coming months interest rates will be increasing, so I would imagine this will have quite an impact on gold. And I would imagine gold should be falling, unless of course you've got some sort of inflation kicking in due to the increased commodity prices we're seeing nowadays for the last couple of weeks. If that has a long-term effect on inflation and that causes an increase in inflation that the Fed's interest rate increases can't battle with, then we might see gold heading back up. But for now, what I'm looking at is this trend line. In fact, I was just waiting for this trend line to be broken before I made this video actually, and it has just about broken. Obviously we don't have a clear breakaway, but I'm comfortable with this, and this is my sign for a short. So I'm going in on a short on gold. My target's quite crazy actually. I don't know what you'd think about this. If I just zoom out onto 4 hours, I am expecting gold to fall substantially to somewhere around this region here, so at least 1800. But having said that, I'm going to be cautious around 1950, so I'm just going to go back in. Around 1950, I do have a more medium-term trend line here, which coincides with 78% retracement on the Fibonacci of this latest upward move. So I'm going to be a little bit cautious here around 1950. It's possible that gold might sort of stop around here and try and go back up to make a new all-time high. So that's the only caution I've got here. If it does, all the better. Close out any sell that you have. Let gold make an all-time high, and when it does make an all-time high, oh boy, you're going to have a beautiful opportunity to do a sell on gold. So overall, I'm bearish on gold. I'm looking for going in for a sell. I think my overall long-term target is, we're looking at somewhere around 1750 level. This might sound outrageous, but I think it's very doable. And if I go to an even longer term, I'm looking at something crazy like $1,000 for gold. But that's going to be a separate video. Let's focus on taking gold down to around the 1800 level for now. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I really appreciate you following my analysis. Please do not go and trade based on this analysis. I highly recommend you watch my previous videos, see how those analyses worked out, if they were fruitful or not, and make a judgment on my accuracy rate, and only then think about trading. I'd really appreciate it if you could click the subscribe button down below, and possibly click the bell icon as well. And please do share this analysis. There's a lot of money in the markets. There's enough for everyone to have a piece of the cake. So share this analysis and help each other out.